Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Is it time to change the oil in your car? Well, if you're looking for a high quality engine oil, I want to show you this Shell Rotella. This one is the 15W40. This is a heavy duty diesel engine oil. And what's really nice about this is it has additives in it that help to protect and prolong the life of your engine, as well as keep it running cleaner and overall improve the performance. So this container is nice. It's a 1 gallon size. And the nice thing is that this is great for, of course, diesel engines. You can use this on trucks, you can use this on farm equipment, tractors, all kinds of things that require diesel engine oil. It can be used in a regular engine as well. And because I have an older model Land Rover, this has additives in it that are actually really helpful for keeping that engine going and running strong. So we use this in both my husband's diesel pickup truck as well as my older model Land Rover. And it has been a very reliable product for us. So if you are looking for a high quality engine oil, I would definitely check out the Shell Rotella. And that is my point of view.